Say it again.
He's not in their class.
Say it again.
He is.
Say what, Cass? What did you say? Say it, please. Fine, I won't believe it.
I was scared when you don't do that.
Cassie, please.
See what you said.
Who's your best friend?
You are.
I am?
Yeah, because that's just a Noah bar, okay? It didn't scare you.
Alright, this.
That's a Noah bar.
A Noro. Oh.
Who are you sleeping with tonight? You.
Who, hair?
No, you.
Me? Why not her?
Because I might have a dream in there. Dreams are just bad dreams. Pet dreams.
You're not sleeping in my room.
Why? Why? You tell me.
You're sleeping in the living room.
Just tell me.
Hmm?
She said I'm not sleeping with her.
No. You guys are sleeping together. But
You're just not sleeping in my room.
in the living room where the TV is.
I have a big TV in my
So
room.
you can watch movies. Don't. You want to watch movies?
I want to get out of here so I don't get mad at me.
At who?
Don't let him out.
Who are you getting mad at?
I'm getting mad at him.
Chad? The bald guy? No, leave that on. The bald guy, you're getting mad at him?
Yeah, turn that off.
No.
Don't turn that off.
No.
No.
You're not done your granola bar. I'm opening it.
Hey, Maya. Are you getting mad at the bald guy?
Why are you taking her Norable?
It's not mine.
Oh, this granola bar? Oh, it's mine.
Yeah, it's his.
Why are you mad at the bald guy? Hmm?
Just that once I did.
Why are you mad at the bald guy?
Because he keeps talking to me.
To you? Keeps talking to you?
What's your name? Marbles?
No, I'm kindergarten, okay?
What's your name? Is it Marbles? Or is it Carbo? Or is it Carbo? Or is it Marbles? Or is it Keely? Your name's Keely, isn't it?
No, I'm kindergarten.
What's your name? What's your name?
Kindergarten.
It's called Keely.